I'm John Robeson. I'm here in the Enfield Auto Restoration Shop. We're restoring this really cool Jensen Interceptor convertible from the Boch collection. Jeff's got a piece of the quarter panel that he had to make to replace what was rotted out and damaged. You just hold that up so people can see where it goes. So he's made this, and this is a smooth panel. This isn't something that requires filler. This is a smooth piece of correctly shaped metal, just as if it came out of the factory. It's a real lost art making this. Can you show us how you do it?
Yeah, I can do a quick look. What I did is I copied, made a template off of that side. I flip it inside out to make the opposite side. Flat sheet, lay it out, and I start here, I bring it over to the beat bag, and I hammer my shape into it.
On the bag there.
On the bag here with the hammer, wooden hammer.
Yeah.
Then we do the shrinks where you need them, so we can shrink the metal.
This hammering here, you see these marks? It almost looks like Damascus steel, the texturing. That is the shrinkage.
And a lot of this scarring will get cut off when it's installed in place. We start with the beat bag. I shrink down here, and then I'll come over here and just roll it out. And you follow your pattern. When you get the nice shape, the last detail to go in is this. We'll come over to the pull max, and these are custom dies made to have the rolled edge, the flange offset. Have to have a perfect edge here, and then we just kind of feed it right through here. Multiple passes to make a nice clean line, and that's just a quick look at some of the little stuff that goes into this. And there's a decent amount of time, and really you have to be able to trust your pattern, know what the metal's going to do as you're running, because it can get really out of control. And yeah, you have to go from the gross phase to the finish phase, and trust your pattern the whole way.
So with these tools and the time to do it, Jeff can make any panel on this car. Curved, straight, he can roll lips in, edges, anything we need can be made, and that's how it's done.